Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui Te Rā. Morena, Mr. Sun. Morena, Papa Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Koka. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro tribe.
Kia ora, my name is O. Kia ora, my name is U.
Kia ora, Tākaro tribe.
Kia ora, Koka.
Shall we go and see who has come to visit us today?
Aye. He kereru! He kereru!
Yes, it's the kereru. They're very colourful birds, aren't they? What colours can you see?
Wai, poro! Purple! Kakariki, green. Pero, red.
Wehi nā. Do you think all those colours will look nice when the kereru kani dance?
Ooh, aye!
Etsu tamariki mā. Are you ready to kani dance and waiata? Sing with us.
Me kani, me waiata. Yay! Matike, maranga, tutai omoe na e hoa ma. Matike, maranga, nenti matatata ki te kori tinana. Tuatahi, wirihia o ringa. Tuarua, wirihia o waiwai. Tuatoru, whātoro i te tinana. Tahi, rua, toru kei te rite. Tātaka peke paku e. Tahi ka omati no te rawa e. Are whanawhiua to ihuroa e. Paia! Watutuki i a koe. Matike, maranga, ko te ao kei te kapu o tō ringa. Matike, maranga. Kia pai tō rā e hoa ma? Matike, maranga!
What is that kereru has given you?
Aua!
Tākaro tribe. That's Papa Rākau calling you. He can tell you what kereru has given you. Haere rā. Off you go.
Tamariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, wakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aure. Tēnā koutou, Tākaro tribe.
Kia ora, Papa Rākau!
Did you enjoy dancing with the kereru?
Ai rā!
Paia. Excellent. I see you've brought something along with you. Let's take a closer look, shall we?
Ooh! Yay!
Do you know what it is?
Aua!
Is it mainene, soft?
Mainene, soft.
Is it maro, hard?
Maro, hard.
It's something you can sit on. Do you know what it is yet?
Ai!
That's right. It's a turu.
Turu!
Aya. Excellent. I think it's time for us to visit some friends.
He kikorangi. That's my color. He porofita kikorangi.
Kia ora, Tamariki Ma. Time for a game. Who will get a turu, seat, when the music stops? Let's see. What a fun game. Ka kite anō ia koutou. Did you know the word turu starts with the letter T? Shall we practice writing the letter T?
Aye.
T. We begin with a straight line down in the middle, and then we go back up, then a line across the top. Kapai. Let's do it again. Straight down the middle, then a line across the top. T.
Yay!
Tauke. Awesome. I hear Korka calling you. Time for you all to visit Korka. See you next time.
Kia ora, Tākaro tribe.
Kia ora, Korka.
What did you learn about today?
Turu.
Turu. Let's learn to spell it. Do you think we need it to? Do you think we need a N?
Cow. What?
Do you think we need a W?
Cow.
Do you think we need an U?
I.
Look, a R. Do we need a R?
Mira. Re. I.
Do we need a K?
Cow.
Do you think we need an U?
I.
Karawe. Excellent. That's all the letters we need. all say the word together, and then you can try and spell it. Turu. Can you tell me the sound the word begins with?
Turu.
Ka pai. T. Now try sounding out the word turu.
Turu.
That's right. See if you can find the letters for those sounds. Did you manage to spell the word turu?
Yay!
Wee na! Well done. I knew you could do it.
It's mai nene, soft, and maro, hard. You can sit on it. Turu. It's a turu.
What a fun day, Tagaroa tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Mārie. Good night, Tagaroa tribe. Titiro, here comes the moon, Mahina. Kia ora, Mahina, me ngā whetū. E moi, Tagaroa tribe. See you tomorrow. Hei a pōpō.
Good night.